Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting a reliable link. Open the map app, drop the pin or set the route, then tap Share. Once done, copy the URL to your clipboard and test it in a new browser tab to confirm the location. Make sure to choose a permalink or coordinates-based link rather than a session-only address, because persistent links remain valid across devices and time. Now that you have a confirmed URL, you're ready to convert it into a QR code with minimal fuss. Next, paste that verified map link into a trusted QR generator. Choose an appropriate error correction level, higher if you plan to add a logo or print small, and pick PNG or SVG depending on whether you need raster or vector output. Once you set size and contrast, generate the code and preview it on screen. This step ensures scannability under real conditions. If you plan to embed the code in print, export at 300 dpi, or finally, test the QR code using different phones and scanning apps to confirm it opens the exact map location. Once validated, place the code where lighting and distance suit your audience and leave a clear, quiet zone around it so cameras can detect it easily. Export final files in needed formats and embed them into your materials. If something goes wrong, regenerate the code with higher contrast or stronger error correction, and retest. Frequently, the fix is simply increasing size or reducing background clutter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.